What if I told you that Fredrik Akermark, owner of Von Arx, did not start out in the manufacturing industry he is known for, but in fact first tried his luck as a singer in a local rock band? This was back in the small town of Mjölby, where he was born, in the middle of South Sweden. It is also the case that he was smart enough to realize that his musical ambitions were not going to bring him where he wanted to go. So he left that shot at rock stardom and began to sell new constructed homes. From there he moved on to pipe cleaning equipment and high pressure washers. He even served a 2-year stint in the Swedish Navy where he helped track Russian submarines. It was all times of self-searching and growth, and it was his family that kept him centered. His parents had given him the best education. His brother and his family were always wonderful and supportive, and his wife, my mother, Karina, stood with him for all the crazy adventures over the years as they moved between Sweden, the United States, and Spain while raising myself, my brother, and my sister along the way. But it wasn't until he met Torbjörn Bengtsson that he truly found his way. Together they founded Pullman Armator. He had always wanted to create something, not only for himself but for the people he worked with and sold to. That is what everyone at Von Arx is part of. But yes, he does have a life outside of his work. Family is at the center, of course, but beyond that, there's his golden retriever Molly and his new favorite sport, hockey. As a boy, my father grew up playing soccer, but my brother and I played hockey. So he adopted our sport as his own and has proudly cheered us on the whole way. That's how he is. He is a people person. And when asked what he likes best about the surface prep industry he is part of, it's absolutely the people. The vendors, the contractors, and even competitors. They're all fantastic people, respecting each other, listening to each other, and in fact coming together as a close group to support the industry. That's what it's all about. We're all in the same pond, just different parts.